Hey, what's up guys? So for today's video, magsasolve tayo ng trigonometry problem using the Pythagorean theorem. Yung Pythagorean theorem formula nga pala guys, ito a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, and it is the right triangle. Yung side na to guys, yung the longest side, itong side na to is also known hypotenuse, the longest side in the right triangle. And itong side naman guys, itong side, tapos itong side is the legs of right triangle. First of all, Pythagorean theorem is a part of geometry and mathematics that focuses on identifying the missing length of a right triangle. So, ginagamit yung Pythagorean theorem para hanapin natin yung isang nawawalang length ng isang right triangle. And take note guys, the Pythagorean theorem is applicable only in a right triangle. So, try natin sagutan itong quiz namin dati and itong problem. Two cars are on a two straight roads which are across the right triangle. If the cars are 20 meter and 99 meter from the intersection, how far apart they? So, sabi dito sa problem, may dalawang straight roads. Ito ay straight roads. Isang straight roads. So, hindi siya straight. So, straight ay may dalawang straight roads. Ito yung unang straight roads, guys. Ito. Pangalawa ay ito. Nag-intersection siya. And, nag-cross sa right triangle. Itong masasabing right triangle pag may ganito. Masasabi natin right triangle pag may ganito siyang sukat 90 degree. Sa isang side, sa isang straight roads may 20 meter. At sa isang straight roads naman ay may 99 meter. Ang tinatanong guys dito ay itong side na to. Itong side, the hypotenuse. I-label natin tong 20 meters as A and B. Using the Pythagorean theorem, masasolve natin itong side C, which is the hypotenuse. Yan. Ang formula ng Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. And dahil ngayon, yung hinahanap natin ay itong C squared, ililipat natin dito siya. And yan. May ganyan na yung formula natin. And substitution lang guys. C squared is equal to, ang A natin ay 20 meter, 20 squared plus, ang B natin ay 99 meter, squared yan. And ano lang natin sa calculator, wait lang. Ang 20 squared ay 400 plus, and 99 squared naman ay 1,801. Para makuha natin yung side na to is squared natin both side. Squared 400 plus 9801. I-squared natin guys. Maka-cancel to and cancel to. Matitira ay C only. And using the calculator, ang value ng C squared ay lang 900 is equal to 101 ano yun guys, lang 101 meter. So ganun lang kadali guys mag solve ng problem using the Pythagorean theorem. The second problem here is what must the length of a guy wire if it is tied from the top of the 40 feet plug pole to a peg on the ground 9 feet from the foot of the plug pole? So, sabi dito ay may flagpole. Kung ang hinanap natin dito ay yung tali mula sa taas ng flagpole papunta dito sa peg. So, ito yung flagpole. Drawing natin guys. Ito, flagpole. Sabi ngayon ay itong flagpole ay 40 feet. And galing naman dito sa From the foot of the flag, of the pole, ito, papunta dun sa peg, itong i-label natin as a peg, ay 9 feet. 9 feet to, guys. I-label natin to as A, and this B. So, ngayon, yung hinahanap itong tie wire. Guy wire pala, guys. Guy wire. So, using the Pythagorean theorem, masasolve natin yan. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, and C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Substitution, C squared is equal to 9 squared plus 40 squared. C squared, squared both side, para mas madali, guys. To. Pwede natin direct to. 9 squared plus 40 squared. Cancel, cancel. C is equal to ganyan, guys. Pwede siya i-direct ng ganyan. Nakadepende sa inyo kung saan kayo mas madadalian. 9 squared plus 40 squared is equal to, guys, is equal to 41 feet. Huwag kalimutan yung units, guys. So, itong length na to, itong side na to ay equivalent ng 41 feet. So, ganun lang kadali siya mag-solve ng problem. And, itong formula ng Pythagorean theorem is kailangan natin matutunan lalo lalo kung tayo ay engineering student, particularly civil engineering, kasi itong formula na ito is magagamit sa higher year lalo. And yun lang, guys. Bye-bye.